guys, and welcome back to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you how to create a hyperlink on Gmail. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So go ahead and open your preferred browser on your PC or your laptop. Here I have my Opera GX opened. Now on the search box, type gmail.com. Over here, make sure that you're logged in to the Gmail in which you'd like to create a hyperlink. Now go ahead and click on Compose. After that, on the bottom of this window, under New Message, you'll be able to see Insert Link icon. Click on it and a pop-up window will appear. Over here, simply insert the URL under this text box. For you to be able to create a hyperlink, you must provide a text to display for this web address. You're going to do that under this text box, so go ahead and enter a text you'd like to display over this link. And after you've done that, simply click on OK. As you can see, a hyperlink has been created. Now you can go ahead and add your subject, your recipients. You can also add more text to this email that you'd like to send to someone. After that, you can simply click on send and the hyperlink will be sent over email. And this is how you can create a hyperlink on Gmail. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.